Dear students, how are you?
We are fine,
We are
sir.
fine.
Thank you.
Thank you. We are going to start a virtual class with Zoom Cloud. Please
Yes.
look at the picture on the screen.
Yes, sir.
What objects do you see in the picture, Pritam?
Sir, some books and a computer mouse.
Some books and a mouse. Okay, thank you.
You're
Turjo,
welcome.
how are
Yes,
they
sir.
related? How are they related?
They are related in
Pritam, how are they related?
Sir, we can learn internet. We can learn ebook through internet.
I think the mouse is connected with the books just like the way as it is connected with a computer. That is, it seems that the books are operated through mouse. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. It seems that teaching learning activities are conducted through computer technology. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you guess what our today's topic is?
Yes, sir. E-learning.
Yes,
Yes, sir. E-learning.
our today's topic is e-learning. Unit 13, lesson 3. Dear students, let us see the learning outcome. That is, let us see what we will learn from this lesson. We will be able to know some unknown words and their synonyms, narrate incidents and even in logical sequence, understand text, practice MCQ, ask and answer question, read and write emails, and surf internet. These are the learning outcomes. We will try to achieve the learning outcome after completing the lesson. Dear students, before going through the text, let us know some unknown words or keyword. Please write down on your notebook or just you can see on the screen. Thrilled. Sakib, what does the word thrilled mean?
So thrill means excited.
Excited. Can you make a sentence with the word thrill?
Yes, sir.
Tell us.
I am excited to see you.
I am thrilled to attend
I am thrilled.
a Zoom class. You can say such sentence. Are you not thrilled to imagine that you are going to attend online class through Zoom Cloud? Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
concept. Concept means idea. Then confuse. Confuse means perplex, bewilder, puzzle. Then traditional. Pritam, can you
Yes, sir.
tell us a synonym of traditional?
Conventional.
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 Okay, right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then there are a lot of words in the text. We just cast a glance. We just cast our eyes on the screen to have a look of such word. Actually, it is a very large, a very big passage. So there are a lot of words in the text which seems to unknown to us. Then another slide we will see educationist, a specialist in the method of teaching. Worldwide means all around the world or throughout the world or across the world. Just look. As we have not so much time, so you need not write. The class will be uploaded on YouTube, so you can write this word from YouTube.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me the meaning of no kidding?
No kidding, really.
Really? No kidding মানে হচ্ছে যে কৌতুকের বিষয় নয়। Okay.
Yes, sir.
Turjo, revolutionary means?
Yes, sir. Sir, revolutionary means involving a great or complete change.
Involving a great or complete change. It is revolutionary.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us go through the text. Can anyone of you read the text? I want Pritam to read the text.
Yes, sir.
Only the first part of the text. Pritam,
Okay, sir.
read it.
Okay, sir.
You need
Can you
not,
think of a class?
yes. Yes, read it.
Can you think of a classroom where there is no blackboard or desk? Do you believe that? Do you believe that you can pen or pencil? I have not failed to imagine that you have asked a question from Dubai to Dhaka. These are possible, all possible in a virtual campus in the system of e-learning. No kidding.
Okay,
For-
okay, okay, stop please. From this
Okay, sir.
passage, two phrase is very important. One is e-learning and other is virtual campus. Dear students, from this part of the passage, we will try to answer some MCQs. Please try to write down the answer of the MCQs. Sakib,
Yes, sir.
thrill means
Sir, overjoyed.
overjoyed. Then imagine means
Sir, thought.
thought or believe or think. As imagine is in present form, so you should tell think. Turjo, what is the similarity between distance
Yes, sir.
learning? What is the similarity?
I think both. Number 3,
Number
both
three, both
of them require electronic media.
media. Then Pritam,
Yes, sir. So a multimedia classroom.
a virtual campus requires.
A multimedia classroom.
Is it right?
None of this.
None of this.
None of this.
Yes.
A virtual campus does not need a blackboard, chalk, or printed book, or pens, or pad. It does not need a multimedia media class. Which of the following statement is true? Rishad.
Sir, both both I and
one
on
and
and two.
Okay. From this part, we from this part of the passage, two important thing is one is virtual campus and another is e-learning. What does What is your idea about virtual campus? Let us see the answer. Please read out
Yes, sir.
the answer. Partho. Pranto. Pranto, read out the answer. What do you mean by virtual campus? Pranto, can you hear me? Sakib, what do you mean by virtual campus?
Yes, sir. A virtual campus, a classroom does not need any blackboard or desks, and a student does not have to carry a traditional book or writing pad or even pen or pencil. It is quite thrilling to imagine that a student can ask a question from anywhere and his tutor can answer it wherever he is.
That is virtual campus. That is a virtual campus does not need a blackboard, desk. A student does not have to take traditional book, writing pad, or even pen or pencil. Okay, thank you. Then the question can be, give a definition of virtual campus. What are the teaching aids mentioned in the first part of the passage? Pritam.
Ji sir.
What,
Yes sir.
What are the teaching aids mentioned in the passage?
So blackboard or desk, printed book or writing pad, pen or pencil.
These are the teaching aids mentioned in the first part of the passage. Okay, then e-learning. What do you mean by e-learning?
E-learning means learning in a
Learning in a
E-learning, sir. E-learning means learning in a virtual classroom where all institutional formalities are electronically done. It means it does not need any conventional campus. E-learning is introduced in many parts of the world. In Bangladesh, Dr. Bodrul Haq Khan is the pioneering of designing e-learning.
Okay, thank you. But Badrul Huda Khan. Badrul is Khan.
Sorry,
Yes,
Bodrul is Khan.
Badrul is Khan means Badrul Huda Khan.
Huda Khan.
Okay, then let us go to the next part of the passage.
Yes, sir.
Sakib, please read the next part of the passage.